Assalamu alaikum. My name is مستعد الهناي. I'm working in NTI as an HSE trainer. The authorized gas tester is a person that he has been appointed with the employer to be as a competent person, and the person he must be as an authorized gas tester before to start the task. We do have two devices to conduct as a gas testing. One of it is a multi-gas detector that is going to detect four things: H2S, CO, oxygen level, and the lower explosive limit. The other device that we do have, it's called as a vacuum pump, and this vacuum pump, it detects only one type of the gases. It is a mandatory to conduct as a gas testing, first of all, to make sure that to identify any kind of toxic gases. Second thing, to make sure that to identify any kind of flammable gases. And the last one thing, which is to make sure about the oxygen level, that it can be high or it can be low. At the end, we need to conduct as a gas testing to make sure that to protect people, to protect the environment, and to protect the assets and the reputation of the company.